So we have a project here. This is from Micah and Caleb. There's a project here where the men are putting in new railroad tracks. We want to be careful because they're working. We don't want to get in their way. And I'll show you how it looks when they're putting in new railroad tracks. You can see here, this is where the track stops. And this is the hole where they're putting in new ties. Here comes the loader. The loader's bringing new ties in. They're going to put them in the hole. And then they're going to put new rails on top. I want to get out of their way. These railroad ties were getting too old, and so they're putting in new ones, and that will make the train more safe on the tracks. Go stop it now and see if they do some more stuff. Well, let's see, the man's going to take an axe. They cut the bands that are holding their ties together. That one was tough to chop. I'm going to stop it for now.